Well, it's Christmas time at Al's Garden and Home, and I'm with Candace, who's the Christmas buyer here. And so, Candace, you are decorated.
We are ready. It's raining outside, but it's warm inside, and we're ready for Christmas.
And so you have this theme here. I don't know if I've ever seen one. It's all about candy and sweetness.
So this is a newer one for Al's, and it's called Candyland. And so it has peppermint treats, gingerbread houses. It's that nostalgic baking that you would do with your grandma or your mom, or a new tradition that you do with your kids. So it's just fun and cozy, and it's a new one for us at Al's.
It's so cute because it's not just the decorations on the tree, it's all the decorations, and you guys give us so many good ideas to take home for our own designs.
Yes, and the beautiful thing about it is if you don't want to do the whole theme, there's like really good aspects that you can kind of grab out of it and just do a cute tabletop in your kitchen, or you can do a hutch in your dining room. So there's really good things that you can take out of it.
And you know, I love too that it's like all reds and whites, and so I love that it's all one color, and I think that's what you get here at Al's. You always get that idea of color.
Yes, and this is one of the predominant ones because it is red and white. So, but the nice thing about that, if you're traditional or you already have your own style at home, it's going to match really good with what you already have because it is that traditional red and white color.
Right, but you have not just this theme, you have many more themes, so let's go over that one.
Many more.
Candace, now this is totally different, so elegant.
Yes, so this is Treetops Glisten, and this theme is kind of what's going on with house trends with the color of gold. So this is like a lot of white and gold, and you're going to see more gold as an accent color in Christmas. So this is an example of that, and then an example of like using different fun lighting. So instead of your standard string, doing novelty lighting within your tree.
And you always have so many different kind of lights. I always love that. And then you always have like top of the line new colors, because sometimes colors change with Christmas.
They do. So the beautiful thing about going to market, there's all these different trends and themes that you get to see in market, and then kind of make that into all these different collections that you see in the store. And so that's what our designers do. They bring all those together, and then they put it all together so the customer can kind of just pick out the colors, kind of pick out their style, and makes it pretty easy.
It does, because you make that so much easy for us as customers, because we want to change it up. We want to be fresh. We love our traditions, but we want to have the best for our family. Yes,
and I think one of the great things that we do, you can kind of stand back and pick out the colors and pick out a little bit in each theme that you can take home, and it mixes with what you already have.
Definitely. And speaking of mixing, you always have the best gnomes. I love your gnomes.
Yes, and that's been so popular for the past couple years, and it's still not going away. And it's great for all ages, and it's whimsical, and again, it's that Scandinavian feel, and it's always such a popular theme that we have in our stores.
And you have something coming up next week, which is going to be so much fun for everyone.
We do, starting on Thursday in our Sherwood location. It's our Evening of Lights, so we're so excited. It's our full-out event that we've had in the past, and it's at all our stores, and each location has something fun to offer. And so check our website for sure, so you get to see what each store has and what's going on in each one of our locations.
So that's like Thursday through Sunday, right?
Correct, yes, November 4th through the 7th.
And is there anything special going on with a sale?
All day in each one of the stores, we're going to have 20% off our Christmas, and actually throughout the stores. So yeah, it's very exciting to kind of kick off the season.
That is nice. And so really an invitation to go to all 4 Al's Garden and Home starting next Thursday, and all that information is on social media and on their website. So really bring all the family and visit all 4, because you might see one thing at one store, but it'll look totally different at another store. Candace, thanks so much. Have fun.
Thank you, Judy.